Saving money can be challenging, even when you know it's important. But what if you could trick your brain into saving more effortlessly? Start with an easy trick. Open an HDFC Bank savings account to manage your money automatically and without stress. Then set saving targets, whether it's an overseas trip or a blissful retirement. Clear goals train your brain to stick to savings. Cut the sneaky expenses. Skip daily takeouts, lower recurring bills, and cancel unused subscriptions. Stop money leaks before they start. Use unexpected income wisely. Got a bonus, gift, or refund? Stash at least half into savings. While enjoy a little splurge too. Now for the final trick. Practice mindful spend. Track your daily expenses and catch deals or discounts on big buys. Because small intentional choices add up fast. With these clever hacks, saving becomes more fun and rewarding. So start saving today with HDFC Bank Savings Account.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.